Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by positioning the air cooler where it can draw fresh air, near an open window or exhaust path and within 1-2 meters of the outlet. Once placed, level the unit and lock the casters to prevent movement. This ensures the pump and fan operate reliably. Make sure you have a dedicated 110-240 volt outlet with residual current protection. This prevents nuisance trips and improves safety. After that, inspect the water tank and filter access so you can start the next step without interruption. You now hook up the cooler's water and electrical systems. First, attach the drain or overflow hose and route it away from walkways. This prevents spills. Then fill the tank to the indicated mark with clean water. Add demineralizer if your water is hard to reduce scale. Next, plug into the RCD-protected outlet and switch power on. Once done, energize the pump briefly to prime the pads and remove air. Make sure louvers and vent angles are set for the intended airflow direction before testing fan speeds. You finish by performing a full functional check. Cycle through fan speeds and cooling mode and confirm the pump runs continuously while water flows over the pads. Once you see a steady mist and feel a temperature drop, adjust the louvers for even room coverage. If you detect weak cooling, make sure the tank is full and the pads are wet. If the pump doesn't run, check the float switch, hose kinks, and that the RCD hasn't tripped. If needed, power cycle after fixing any obstruction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.